Good day. I'm Sri Chandra from the IEEE Standards Association, Senior Director and Practice Lead for Foundational Technologies. In the next few minutes, I'll briefly be talking about the practice and its core objectives. Adoption and investment in emerging technologies such as Internet of Things continues to grow as the connectivity amongst the devices that are capable of sending, receiving, and analyzing massive amounts of data has increased significantly and continues to grow. This increased traffic is driven by growth of sensor technologies along with key enabling technologies such as IEEE 802, blockchain, edge computing, and machine learning, to name a few, resulting in massive increase in data consumption. Along with this, the technologies are becoming multidisciplinary and complex system of systems. This growth brings along certain core issues that need to be addressed. Identity, privacy, and trust are significant challenges. Security still remains a big issue for widespread adoption of IoT. Issues such as malware, ransomware, ability to identify affected devices, and weak credentials. Protection of data, both for the individual as well as organizations. And finally, energy efficiency and sustainability is a major consideration, including electronic waste. The overall mission of the foundational technology practice is to standardize seamless and ubiquitous connectivity across all applications of connected technologies in a trustworthy and enabling manner, focused around the TIPS framework for both horizontal level standards and domain-specific standards. The TIPS framework stands for Trust, Identity, Privacy, Protection, Safety, and Security. Through the practice, we try to address three key questions and initiating new programs within IEEE addressing these questions. How can the building blocks of tomorrow enable better, sustainable cities for humanity today? The second question that we are addressing is how can developers, manufacturers, and producers develop solutions that respect individual privacy and trust without loss in efficiency and performance at an affordable and sustainable means? Finally, what are the next series of building blocks that can help improve our global productivity in a responsible manner? This is addressed through three work streams as part of the practice. The first work stream is the industrial IoT and smart manufacturing. Smart manufacturing processes are transforming business, driving high impact and productivity gains provided through connectivity protocols and integration of the IT and the OT business. The technologies such as edge computing, time-sensitive networks, robotics, and computer vision will drive industrial IoT transformation in the next 3 to 5 years. In this context, trust, identity, and security will be core focus as the adoption takes place. The second work stream is focused on consumer applications. Estimates put more than 100 billion connected devices by 2030, driven through smartphones along with smart home devices and wellness devices, driving quality of life and comfort and connectivity. Wearables, gaming, and including Internet of Clothing and Food with smart-enabled sensors, AR, VR, edge computing will have significant play in consumer applications. Issues such as online privacy, data protection, and trust are key issues that need to be addressed. The final work stream and the focus areas are on infrastructure for emerging applications. Technologies such as quantum computing, augmented reality, blockchain, and next-generation connectivity protocol will drive future application and enable new markets. Issues such as cybersecurity, energy efficiency, and sustainability will be key priorities of focus. IEEE is very well positioned to address some of these key problem statements. IEEE has core representation of experts with the presence of volunteer experts across the various societies, computer, communication, PES, RAS, industrial applications, to name a few, and also a strong presence of both industry participants as well as research and academia across the spectrum of technologies. Through the IEEE SA Open program focused on open source, which allows us to engage with open source community, and through the newly launched IEEE Industry Affiliate Network program, provides the ability to engage with industries, consortia, and alliances. The need for development of standards will also drive further innovation. If you need further information about practice, please feel free to reach out to me at sri.chandra@ieee.org. Thank you.